What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making yak. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified each and every time we post. Make sure you select all. Now we're gonna start off with some good old chicken thighs. Let's trim these chicken thighs up. Just gonna trim off a little of the fat. We don't need all that. Hey, if you eat fat, you get fat. That's what they say. And while I'm prepping this chicken, man, hey, look, go over to Instagram, look up Discover Flavor TV, and follow me. It's a lot of dishes on there that I hadn't made on YouTube, so hey, you might want to check them out. Okay? I appreciate the support, family. Let's jump back into it. Now that we got most of the fat trimmed off, we're gonna go in and slice these up real quick. Okay? Slice them up nice and even so they cook evenly. Now we're gonna throw these to the side and prep these veggies. Change your cutting boards. So we got a green pepper here. All we need is one. Alright. We're gonna julienne those. Got a half an onion. Won't need a lot. Okay. We're just gonna finely slice those onions. Get us some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. We're gonna heat that up. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken right into the pan. I'm telling you, man, I love the taste and smell of fresh olive oil. Let's add our Discover Flavor chicken seasoning, which is coming soon. Y'all better stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna hit it with a little salt. And let's give that thing a stir. Now let's add our green peppers right into the hot pan. And we're gonna slide our onions right on in there. We're gonna let this cook down. We're gonna let it cook down. Alright, we're gonna throw the lid on there and let it go until it's time to add our secret sauces to the dish. Let's go in and add our minced garlic. Now this garlic gonna add so much flavor. Love me some garlic now. Hit it one more time with that Discover Flavor chicken seasoning. It's gonna change our life, man. Somebody come look at this. Look at all them flavors just mixing together, man. You don't get no better than this, man. Throw the top on there. Get our boiled eggs ready. Man, that water hot. Let's go ahead and crack our eggs. I like to do it fresh out that heat, man. Shock it with some cold water. They crack so easily. These are them farm fresh eggs, straight from local fare. Straight out the chicken, man. It ain't processed like those other ones. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our lo mein noodles in. Now traditionally, yakka mein is a Virginia dish where we use spaghetti. Okay, I'm gonna use lo mein. All right, I like these lo mein noodles. They cook fast, easy, and they're delicious. Now, if you're from the 7 cities, you know what yak is. If you're outside of VA, I don't know if you know what's going on, but hey, I'm gonna show y'all the way, all right? Just give it a try. Don't judge it. Just give it a try. Now make sure you wash these. You don't want them to stick. They don't take long to cook at all. Just a few minutes. let them boil down. We're gonna take them out and drain them and instantly hit them with some cold water. Okay, they're al dente at this point, so they're good. So we're gonna add the finishing touches to the yakame, or what makes this yak. Okay, we're gonna add our ketchup. Gotta have the ketchup. We got our soy sauce. That LaCroix, that's what I use, that LaCroix soy sauce is fire. And we got our hot sauce, man. Gotta have our hot sauce. We're gonna give it a mix and we're gonna let that simmer down. It's just something about the ketchup, hot sauce, and soy sauce with the noodles, man. It's different. It hit different, man. It's a VA thing right here. So we're gonna go ahead and add our lo mein straight into the bowl. And we're just gonna spoon that mixture right over top of that the lo mein noodles. Don't be stingy with it either. It's one of them 5-step meals, man. You take 5 steps, you gotta sit down somewhere. You full. Got the noodles covered, got the chicken, got the onion, got the green peppers. You know what's next? Gotta cut that egg up. Get your egg up in there, man. And let's sprinkle some green onions on there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I love me some green onions. And that's it, man. There you have it. VA inspired yak, man. I want to thank all my subscribers, man. I appreciate your love and support. And if you have a YouTube channel, listen, drop your channel in the comments and I will support you. That's what I'm here for. I want to network, I want to build, and I want to grow with y'all. All right? Thank y'all for checking out Discover Flavor. I hope y'all enjoyed what y'all saw. Catch you next time. Peace.